So here's an example of the virtual manipulative that you're going to be using with the algebra tiles. The first thing that you are going to need to do is you're going to have to hit this clear button on the left-hand side, because the way that it's set up for you, we don't actually want to use. So just hit clear, and then you'll end up with a blank slate. So for example, for investigation 1, it asks you to put 2 X tiles and 2 unit tiles on the horizontal axis. So to get an X tile, you just click the button X and it will just put one in place, and you click it again, it puts another one in place. And then all you have to do is drag them down to this area down here on the horizontal axis. And it also asks you for 2 unit tiles. For unit tile, you just hit this one, and then you drag it in place. So to get 2 of them, you hit it again. And shoot, I'll just delete that and try again. And whenever you want to delete something, you just drag it to the trash can. So on my horizontal axis, I now have 2 X tiles and 2 unit tiles. Investigation 1 then asks you to put 3 unit tiles on the vertical axis. So you have to hit the unit tile 3 times, and then I'm going to drag them to the vertical axis. And what it does is it creates this red box. So essentially your job is to now figure out what goes in the red box. So right off the bat, I noticed that in this area, some X tiles are going to fit. So I'm going to click an X tile, and I'm just going to drag them into place. And I'm going to click as many as I can that will fit. And right now I seem to have 6 that fit. Now I'd like to try to see this area, see if an X fits, but oh, the X is too high. So the X isn't going to fit, so I have to drag that one to the trash can. So I have to figure out something that will fit in this area, and it's actually going to be the unit tiles. And I just click and I drag them into place. And it turns out that 2x plus 2 times 3 ends up being 6x plus 6. And this is essentially what you're going to go through with this investigation. There are 3 investigations that you need to do. Then you need to kind of summarize what you learned. And then at the bottom of your investigation, there's some questions for you to try to apply your knowledge of what you've learned in this situation.